Hey everyone, Chad here from addplugin.com, and in this video we're going to discuss the best WordPress gallery plugin that you should be using to energize your website with images. Contrary to popular belief, it is not next-gen gallery. I played around with this plugin, I hated the user interface, and I disliked using it. And despite the fact that it has over 13 million downloads and a lot of active installs, the rating here is very poor. So I imagine that this plugin came out some time ago. It's been used by a lot of folks in the interim, but there are many more better and easier to use gallery plugins that you should consider when implementing images on your website. If you hop over to addplugins.com, as you know, I've listed the top 1% of plugins here. There's over 40,000 to choose from, so I've broken them out by different categories, and you can come here and click on the image gallery to explore some of the best image gallery plugins. As you know, images bring a website to life, and when you come to this page, I've listed the top plugins here. You can see here the ratings, the installs, and several gallery plugins listed. The one I want to talk to you about is Foo Gallery, and that's pretty much the plugin that I use to do stuff like this, to add images or multiple images to my websites. And so it is one of the better plugins available on the market today, and best of all, it's free. So let's take a look at the Foo Gallery image plugin. Here we are on the Foo Gallery plugin, and there's not many options here. Add gallery, settings, extensions, help, system info. We can quickly hop over to settings just to have a look at what's there. And it's pretty straightforward. So on this home page here within the plugin, you can pick the gallery style, if you will, how you want it sorted. So new is first, old is first, default gallery settings, and there's just a couple more options here. These are worth exploring. I haven't done that much exploring here because they're defaulted to the selections that I prefer anyways, but you can check out these and these other tabs here just to make sure that the settings align with your objectives. We are on the Add New Gallery tab of the plugin, and what we can do is we can create a title for our gallery, and then we can just get into how to set this up. So as I'm setting up my gallery, let's just say I'm going to upload some files, upload some images. So I'm going to upload these three here, and I'm going to click on Add Media. So as you can see, it's added. Now if I just wanted this as is, I could just copy this short code here, put this short code in my post or in my page, and it would show up this way. But you have some different things and options here to play with. You can move these around as you like. You can also, of course, add more media. Down here are some of those settings that we talked about, so it just depends on the style that you like. You can set the size. This is important here in terms of the link. Do you want it just to show the full size image, the image attachment page, a custom URL, or not link it to anything? The other nice thing about Foo Gallery is it gives you a preview of what your image gallery will look like. So you can choose these different options here, and as you can see, it's changing down here. For the hover effect, you can pick and choose what you like. So perhaps you want a dark tint. And then again, there's just a couple options down here to play with. So let's just say, for example, that I do want to have this image here open up a link in a new tab. In that case, I would click on this little eye to edit the info, and now it's just on this image here. Remember that putting an alt text is important for SEO or search engine optimization because Google can't read images, so you need to put this here. So let's just call this themes. And you can add a description if you like. Here's where the URL would go. And then once I put that URL there, I can select how I want it to open. So in a new tab, same tab, etc. And then I'll just click Add Media. So that's if you want to add a link to your image. So once you're done with this, you can just hit Publish. Now it's ready to go. This is copied, the short code's copied. Once you copy and paste your short code into a page or post, it's going to appear like this, and then as we said earlier, this is what it's going to look like. So that's how easy it is to use the Foo Gallery image gallery plugin. I highly recommend it. It's highly recommended by others, and it has received a very high rating and is very easy to use. Hope this short video tutorial helps you out when adding images to your website. Bye for now.